Hi, good day to everyone. My name is Jim, founder of JT Technology Sdn Bhd. We are the LED display design manufacturer house. In front of us, this is a RS485 LED display panels. Where you can see now, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means that we have 6 digits for each row. So each of the character is 130 mm. So today we don't talk about the product, we are talking about the maintenance. So you can see that this LED panel covered by this 4-sided LED frame. So we need a Phillips screwdriver to loosen it. So once we have loosened it, the side panel. So let's see. So every panel we have 2 screws, one on the left and one on the right. Assume that this LED panel hang on the top of the wall. So we need to dismantle out. So we would like to go out from this side because usually our controller will be at this part. So unscrew it. So once you unscrew, then you take out the aluminium frame. So then slide out the acrylic slowly. So there is 8 panels over here. So you can see that there's a line over here. So we need a plier to take out the LED panel. So the panel is using my magnet. So you can see that the controller actually is over here. So we unplug out first. So unplug the panels. So this is the controller. So what we need to do is that we need a test pen to unscrew the power supply. So once I'm unscrew, then this is the LED panel, or using the ribbon cable. So okay, plug back. So put back. Then for example, okay, let me put back. So let's say I want to change the LED panel. So we need to put back. So what we need to do is that we unplug the ribbon cable. The ribbon cable just unplug, then the power supply unplug. You can see that this is the LED panel. So what you need to do is that once you unplug, then you screw back the magnet, plug back. So make sure there is the things. So plug back the power. So when you see that the number is very blurred, that means that the power supply is not go through. Okay, go in. So here, go into. This is how it looks like. So once the maintenance is done, make sure that the surface is flat. Push it back slowly. Make sure the aluminium frame go down. So once go in, then this one, aluminium profile, put it back. Then of course, need to tighten it the 4 corner, every screw. If you like my channel, help us like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.